Today we talk about how can you find your notifications on your Dream app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on this sign down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all activity you have here. Like you see here, I have no activity yet. But if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Dream app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.